Hello guys, welcome back to the NNN tutorials, where we're building powerful AI agents and workflow automations. So far we have been learning how to build and construct APIs, workflows, AI agents from scratch. But have you ever realized that what makes them more comprehensive, more useful, more versatile are APIs? APIs are something that connects end-to-end with other apps. If you have knowledge of APIs, you can do infinitely anything. APIs are like bridges. They're the messengers between tools, and once you understand it, you unlock many possibilities that you could not even think of. So, what I want to explain you is that this is this is what N8N is without APIs. You essentially just drag and drop some nodes and connect them, and that's pretty much it. But if you do not have any API, you cannot make it talk with other tools. But when you have APIs, you can make it talk with Gmail, you can make it talk to the web, you can make it talk to Google Sheets. So this is the power of API. So if you want to learn AI agents seriously, APIs are something that you really need to master. You will really need to learn because that is what is gonna make you a more professional AI agent developer. So NNN without APIs is literally nothing. It's a question mark. But NNN with APIs is this whole thing. In fact, way beyond this. So, having understood the importance of APIs, let's dive into APIs more deeply in this video. So, yeah, let's understand APIs with a simple analogy. So, when you go to a restaurant, you are the person who is looking at the menu. But just looking at the menu would not get you the food, right? You need to tell it to the waiter. You need to tell it, yeah, so you need to tell it to the waiter. The waiter is gonna go to the kitchen, is gonna place the order in the kitchen, and then the food is prepared. The food is then sent back to the kitchen. I mean, it's made in the kitchen, but it's served to the serving area. Then the waiter collects the food, and then it brings you back the food. So, did you understand the process of what's happening? You ordered the food via the waiter. It's not like you directly went to the kitchen all by yourself, gave an order to the chef, and then prepared the food. You waited there, and they give it back. No, it doesn't happen like that. Yep. So, so there's a structure. There is a structure of flow at the place. The waiter is acting like a medium between you and the person. I mean, between you and the kitchen. Right. So this is what happens. This is what happens in APIs as well. Okay, so this is what exactly happens in AI API workflows as well. You have you have API docs from which you refer it and take the APIs from. It goes to the agent. The agent then sends it to the HTTP request, which then goes to the endpoint. The data is collected, which is then sent back again to the endpoint. The HTTP request reads it, sends it to the agent, and then you get the data back. This is how it works. Now let's, in this video, we understood how we can understand the analogy with a simple example like that of a restaurant, and how we can Intuitively, imagine the same situation happening with APIs. In the next video, let's understand it deeper.